Hey, buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Odds are, if you're watching this video, it's because A, either you're already a motorcycle fanatic and you love to ride, or B, you're thinking about getting into riding, or you're wondering what the heck it's all about and trying to figure out if it's the right thing for you. Whichever of the two classes you fall into, today I'm going to go over 5 reasons why motos are the raddest, 5 reasons why everybody I think should at least give them a thought, a consideration. 5 things that are awesome about motorcycles, and frankly these are 5 reasons that if you ride they're going to resonate and you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't ride, these are things you may have overlooked, may not even have considered or thought about. Without further preamble, let's go ahead and jump into it. Reason number 1, riding a motorcycle forces you to get outside, to get outdoors. Get off the video games, get off the social media, get off whatever it is you're doing, get out of the cubicle, just get outside and get some fresh air. Obviously, you've got health benefits to being outside, vitamin D, the fresh air, all that good stuff. But additionally, there's nothing like being on 2 wheels with the wind in your hair or in your helmet, whichever you prefer, and just getting outdoors, back to nature, back where we belong, back to where everything, even if it's just for a moment in time, is all good in La Vida Loca. And that's a perfect segue into reason number 2, and that's called cycle therapy. Not psychotherapy, I'm talking psychotherapy. Basically, getting on a motorcycle has proven mental health and health benefits, basically proven benefits from riding a motorcycle. Studies were done, studies were funded by Harley Davidson. Wait, funded by Harley Davidson? There couldn't be any conflict of interest there. Nah, there's no conflict of interest there. But no, really, on a serious note, science has proven that riding a motorcycle has tons of health benefits for your mental health. You get out there, you get the adrenaline pumping, your heart rate goes up, endorphins are released, stress levels are reduced, it reduces cortisol, you get the dopamine running. Scientists say you even burn more calories when you're rocking it on the motorcycle. All right, reason number 3, moving right along. People talk about this a lot, and honestly, I don't take advantage of it much myself, but there's community out there. So if you're one of those people who's looking for community, looking to hang out with other people, regardless of what type of bike you ride, you're bound to find a community specific to that group, and you'll be able to find people to hang out with who are like-minded, who want to ride, who can get out there, and you can have a good time. So the community aspect is huge. While I don't go out on a ton of group rides with other people, I've still met a lot of local riders, and there's something about a moto. If you pull up to a gas station, there's another rider there, you've got that instant connection. You pull up to a gas station, somebody comes up to talk to you because they ride, and there's that instant thing that you have in common. And that's not to mention the online community as well. You've got the YouTube community, Discords, all kinds of stuff all over the place, creating bridges between mankind and humankind. Reason number 4, one of the raddest things, is it's a challenge, and there's always room to grow and progress. No matter how long you've been riding or how little time you've been riding, there's things to learn and you can challenge yourself so you're not getting bored. So whether it be just the basics that you're working on or more advanced techniques or more advanced skills, at whatever level you're at, you're going to be able to challenge yourself and have fun. And that leads me into the ultimate reason, number 5. It is a complete blast. It's tons of fun. And that's not just for those who are out trying wheelies and that kind of thing. Even if you're just going out for a ride, for a cruise, if you're just touring the countryside, again, there's something about it, being out there in the fresh air. It's just a blast. It's so fun. The fun factor's there 100%. Have you ever felt like you get into that daily grind? The older you get, the more responsibilities you take on, and it's like you just forget what it's like to be alive. Just day after day, you're doing the mundane, the same old routine. Well, jump on a motorcycle can completely change it all up. Get yourself back to where you feel young again, you feel alive, you look forward to waking up, you look forward to going out and doing something. So there you have it, you guys. 5 things that I personally dig about motorcycles, 5 reasons why I think you guys should consider riding, 5 huge benefits to riding 2 wheels that you may not have considered. Leave a comment below. What are some of the things you love about riding? What are some of the benefits to riding that you've found and discovered in your 2-wheel journey? As always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping by John's Moto Garage. If you dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe and share. You can follow me on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. And shout out to the patrons. You can support the channel through Patreon as well. Until the next time, ride safe, have fun, and enjoy the journey. Adios.